Patience is a virtue. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, succeed in today's fast-paced and instant gratification society. The notion of patience may seem outdated or unnecessary. However, the saying, "patience is a virtue," holds profound wisdom that transcends time. It teaches us that by cultivating patience, we can navigate through life's challenges with grace and ultimately achieve success. One of the key lessons that this proverb imparts is the importance of endurance when faced with obstacles or setbacks. It is easy to become discouraged and give up, but patience enables us to persevere through difficult times. Knowing that the road to success is rarely a straight path, by maintaining a calm and composed demeanor, we can overcome any adversity that comes our way. Furthermore, patience allows us to make better decisions and avoid impulsive actions. When we rush into things without taking the time to assess and analyze, we are more likely to make mistakes or overlook crucial details. Patience allows us to step back, evaluate the situation, and make informed choices. This measured approach enhances our chances of achieving desirable outcomes. Patience also grants us the ability to enjoy the journey, rather than solely focusing on the destination. We live in a society that prizes instant gratification, constantly pushing us to strive for immediate results. However, true fulfillment often lies in the process itself. When we embrace patience, we learn to savor each step, appreciate the small victories, and develop a greater sense of gratitude. Moreover, patience fosters resilience and emotional well-being. By practicing patience, we can avoid the traps of impatience and impulsivity that can lead to stress, frustration, and dissatisfaction. When we approach life's challenges with patience, we cultivate resilience and emotional strength. We learn to manage our emotions, handle setbacks with grace, and maintain a positive mindset. This, in turn, promotes overall well-being and enhances our ability to cope with the ups and downs of life. In addition, patience enables us to build stronger relationships and connections with others. It allows us to give people the time and space they need to grow, change, and evolve, instead of rushing to judgment or trying to mold others. According to our expectations, patience allows us to appreciate and understand their unique journey. This fosters empathy, compassion, and deeper connection, based on mutual respect. Furthermore, patience plays a crucial role in achieving long-term goals. Success rarely happens overnight. It requires persistent effort, dedication, and time. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.